Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about fabric guide for beginners. We are going to talk about most common types of fabrics used for stitching. Here I have two most common fabrics, knitted and woven fabrics. So first we're going to talk about woven fabric. So woven fabrics are formed by weaving warp and weft threads together on a loom. It is interlacing of two or more threads at the right angles to one another. So many types of woven fabrics are available. So this is the most common type of the woven fabric. This is cotton poplin, and this is printed cotton woven fabric. It's a print on the right side and the back side is plain. And this is also a printed woven fabric. Some fabrics are easy to find which one is the right side and which one is the wrong side, but some fabrics look same on the both sides. This is also a cotton woven fabric. So this is Georgette Chiffon. It's very sheer fabric and very light and very fringy fabrics. This crepe is quite shiny, looks a bit like silk and satin fabric, but it's very different and light fabric. This is silk. This is the front side of the satin, and this is the back side of the satin fabric. Is twill. This is diagonal twill. You can see the diagonal lines. This is printed twill. It's plain on the back side. I hope you can see the diagonal lines. And the next fabric I have is linen. It's quite stretchy and comfortable fabric. And this is lace. Denim. This is also woven. And here is one more type of woven fabric we use in dresses. This is called Bookrum. This is used as an interfacing to support and shape retention for necklines, collars, belts, cuffs in the garments. So let's move on to knitted fabrics. Now we are going to talk about knitted fabrics. Knitted fabric is an interlooping of yarns together. It's very flexible and stretchy than woven fabrics. So I have so many different types of knitted fabrics. The most common is, here we have is a t-shirt. This is the most, is called plain weave knitted fabric. It's very stretchy and flexible. It adjusts according to your body shape. This is also a most common type of knit. Printed jersey. This is plain knit. This is printed on one side and the wrong side is plain. And this one is called yarn dyed jersey because this one is not printed. This one is looking same at both sides because this one is knitted with colored yarns. Is rib. Rib is very stretchy fabric. Is mostly used for cuffs and necklines to make it comfortable. And here this one is called pearl knit. This looks same at front and the back side. And here is another type of knitting. This is called cable knit. is making intricate designs like this one, and here I have one more making different patterns with the knitting. Have is pointil knit. This makes different patterns, leaving. Here I have interlock fabric. This looks same at both sides, front and back side looks same. It's very comfortable and stretchy fabric, just like a rib. It's mostly used in undergarments. And next I have is jacquard knit. Jacquard is a special type of circular machine that makes quite intricate patterns like this one. And next I have is fleece. This fleece is brushed on the one side and one side is plain jersey. And next I have is velour. This is called velour. It's like velvet. And next I have is silver knit. One has longer and denser piles. It's very light and stretchable fabric. So here's all fabric guide for basic. I hope you liked today's video. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.